Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys. Double tap to activate problem, how to solve on Oppo mobile. Friends you have double tap to activate problem. Friends you are not operating your Oppo mobile. Friends you have talkback problem. So friends, how to fix talkback, and friends how to solve double tap to activate problem. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends you can solve talkback problem easily. Open your phone setting. First of all, use your two finger pens, and pens you can scroll here. Use your two finger. One finger pens use. Click here phone setting. Double tap. Pens click here Wi-Fi setting, and again scroll with two finger. Pens if you use one finger, you cannot scroll here. You cannot use your open mobile screen. Use your two finger. One tap here additional setting. Two dots additional setting. Double tap. Accessibility setting pens. One tap. Double tap continue. Talkback setting, one tap here and double tap friends. Friends click here on talkback, double tap, stop talkback setting, press double tap here, and press your double tap to activate problem will solved. Double tap, talkback off, problem solved. And friends now you can use your phone with one finger without any talkback problem. And friends again click here talkback setting, and guys we will enable talkback again. After enable friends, again you have to double tap to activate problem. So how to fix double tap to activate problem with shortcut setting. First of all guys, your phone screen is off, and friends you want to unlock your Oppo mobile. So friends, one finger you cannot unlock, use your two finger and you can unlock your device. Friends, one tap here on phone setting friends. Double tap here. Friends click here search option. Double tap. One tap, double tap, double tap here, and then search your talkback setting. Talkback setting, one tap here friends, double tap, direct friends click here talkback, double tap, and double tap here stop button, double tap, talkback off, problem solved. And friends you don't know what is talkback and how to turn off friends, you can check from here. So like that friends, we can fix talkback problem with two methods guys. One first is guys step by step phone setting, and second guys you can search your talkback setting and you can fix talkback problem on Oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.